What if I told you that 3 ingredients sitting in your kitchen right now could be more powerful than most cold medicines you'll find at the pharmacy? Stay with me, because in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to share an ancient remedy that doctors are finally starting to recognize, and it's been hiding in plain sight this whole time. Hey friend, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm so glad you found this video today. Look, I know how frustrating it is. You feel that little tickle in your throat, that heaviness starting to settle in your chest, and you know it's coming. A cold, the flu, or just feeling run down and exhausted. But here's the beautiful thing. Your body already knows how to heal itself. It just needs the right support. And that's exactly what we're talking about today. This remedy combines 3 of nature's most powerful healers: lemon, garlic, and ginger. And before you think, oh, another home remedy that doesn't really work, hear me out, because the science behind this is actually incredible. Part 1. The problem we all face. Can I be honest with you for a second? We live in a world where we're constantly exposed to viruses, stress, pollution, poor sleep. Our immune systems are working overtime every single day, and most of us, we're not giving our bodies what they need to keep up. And here's what happens. We get sick, we reach for medication, we feel a bit better, but we never actually strengthen our foundation. We never give our immune system the tools it needs to protect us in the first place. And tell me, has this ever happened to you? You catch every cold going around? You feel like you're the only one getting sick? If you're nodding right now, this remedy is for you. Part 2. The solution. Ingredient breakdown. Okay, so let me walk you through exactly why this works, because once you understand the science, you're going to want to make this today. Ingredient number 1, lemon. Now, you probably already know lemon is packed with vitamin C, right? But here's what vitamin C actually does that most people don't realize. It literally strengthens your white blood cells, the soldiers of your immune system. It helps them move faster, respond quicker, and fight off invaders more effectively. 1 lemon gives you almost 100% of your daily vitamin C, and when you're fighting off a virus, you need more than the minimum. You need ammunition. Ingredient number 2, garlic. Now, garlic, this is where things get really interesting. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, and allicin is like nature's antibiotic. Studies have shown it can help your body fight bacteria, viruses, and even fungi. But here's the bonus. Garlic doesn't just boost your immune system, it also supports your cardiovascular health. It helps lower cholesterol. It's beneficial for blood pressure. So, while you're protecting yourself from getting sick, you're also taking care of your heart. 2 birds, 1 clove, right? Ingredient number 3, ginger. Ginger is the secret weapon here, because ginger brings both antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties to this remedy. Imagine this. Inflammation is like a fire inside your body. When you're sick, that fire gets out of control. Ginger comes in like a gentle, natural fire extinguisher. It soothes your throat, it calms your stomach, it helps reduce that achy, heavy feeling you get when you're run down. And on top of that, it helps your body fight the virus at the same time. Are you starting to see why this combination is so powerful? Part 3. How to make it, step by step. Alright, let's actually make this together. It's so simple, you're going to be amazed. Here's what you need. 1 fresh lemon, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger root, and 1 cup of warm water. Optional, honey and turmeric. Step 1. Lemon. Squeeze the juice from 1 whole lemon into a cup or jar. Get every last drop. That's where all the vitamin C is hiding. Step 2. Garlic. Crush 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Now this is important. Crushing or chopping the garlic activates the allicin, so don't skip this step. Really break it down. Add the crushed garlic right into the lemon juice. Step 3. Ginger. Grate about a tablespoon of fresh ginger root. You can use a regular kitchen grater or a microplane if you have one. Add it to your mixture. Look at those beautiful natural ingredients coming together. Step 4. Warm water plus extras. Now add 1 cup of warm water. Not boiling, just warm. You want to preserve all those beneficial compounds. If you'd like, you can add a spoonful of honey for sweetness and extra immune support, and a pinch of turmeric if you want even more anti-inflammatory power. Step 5. Let it steep. Cover it and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. This lets all those healing compounds infuse into the water. And that's it. Your immune-boosting remedy is ready. Part 4. How to use it. So here's how you take it for maximum benefit. Drink half a cup 1 to 2 times a day. I recommend taking it in the morning when you wake up and again in the evening before bed. Do this for at least a week, especially if you feel something coming on or during cold and flu season. Now, I won't lie to you, the taste is strong. Garlic and ginger are powerful, but you know what? That strong taste means it's working. And honestly, after a couple of days, you start to crave it. Your body recognizes that it's getting what it needs. And if the taste is really too much for you, feel free to add more honey or even a splash of orange juice. Make it work for you. The most important thing is that you actually drink it. Part 5. When and why this works best. Now, let me tell you when this remedy is most powerful. This works best when you catch things early. You know that moment when you feel just a little off, maybe you're more tired than usual or your throat feels slightly scratchy? That's when you start this. Don't wait until you're completely knocked out. Give your immune system the support it needs right at the beginning, and you'll be amazed at how much faster you bounce back. And even if you're not sick right now, you can still make this as a preventive measure, especially during winter or when everyone around you is getting sick. Think of it as insurance for your immune system. Now, a couple of important things I want to mention because I care about you and your well-being. First, this remedy is incredibly powerful, but it's not a replacement for medical care. If you have a serious illness, if your symptoms get worse, or if you have any underlying health conditions, please talk to your doctor. Always. Your health is too important to take chances with. Second, garlic is a natural blood thinner, so if you're on blood thinning medication or if you have surgery coming up, check with your healthcare provider before taking this regularly. And third, this remedy is strong. Start with smaller amounts if you're not used to raw garlic or ginger. Listen to your body. It will tell you what it needs. Here's what I really want you to take away from this video today. Your body is incredibly intelligent. It knows how to heal. It knows how to protect itself. But in our modern world, we've forgotten how to support it properly. We've forgotten that the most powerful medicine isn't always in a bottle from the pharmacy. Sometimes it's growing in the earth. Sometimes it's sitting in your kitchen right now. This remedy, this combination of lemon, garlic, and ginger is a gift. It's something our grandparents knew, something humans have used for thousands of years, and it still works today. So I want you to try this. Give it a week. Pay attention to how you feel. Notice if you have more energy. Notice if that cold you usually catch just doesn't show up this time. And then come back and tell me about it. Because honestly, that's my favorite part, hearing your stories, knowing that something so simple made a difference in your life. All right, before you go make this remedy, and I really hope you do, can you do me a quick favor? If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps more people discover these natural remedies, and I'd really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because I share videos like this every week. Natural health, holistic wellness, simple remedies that actually work. And here's my question for you today. What's your go-to remedy when you feel a cold coming on? Do you have a secret family recipe? Something your grandmother taught you? Drop it in the comments below because I'd love to learn from you too. We're all in this together. All right, my friend, go make yourself this powerful immune-boosting remedy. Take care of your body, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay strong, and remember, your body knows how to heal.